Unlock the immense power of Google's Gemini AI without spending a dime. Here's how. First, let's dive into how you can access Gemini's core functionalities for free. The most direct method is through the official Gemini website. Simply navigate to the Gemini website. You can easily find it by searching for Google Gemini or Try Gemini in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the main page, look for the prominent Try Gemini or Get Started button. Clicking this will take you to the interactive chat interface, where you can start engaging with Gemini immediately. This is your gateway to experiencing Gemini's conversational abilities, creative writing, and information retrieval. To use it, type your questions or prompts directly into the chat box. For instance, you could ask Gemini for creative story ideas, help with brainstorming, or even to explain complex topics in simpler terms. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, so just start chatting. Beyond the web interface, Google often offers Gemini access through various applications and services. Keep an eye out for official Google apps that might integrate Gemini's capabilities. For example, certain Google Workspace applications or even the Google Assistant could start rolling out Gemini features, often accessible without additional cost for basic usage. Google also occasionally runs promotional programs or offers trial periods for their advanced AI services. While these might not be permanent free access, they are fantastic opportunities to experience Gemini's full potential. The best way to stay informed about these is to regularly check the official Google AI blog or subscribe to their newsletters. This way, you'll be among the first to know when new free access opportunities arise. So, whether directly through the web, integrated into existing apps, or via special promotions, there are clear paths to utilize Gemini AI without any cost. Start exploring, experimenting, and let Gemini help you discover new possibilities today.